Fibonacci extensions and retracements are easily some of the most common Fibonacci tools, but there are also other ones that are useful, yet used less often. In cases like this with defined horizontal ranges, retracements and extensions aren't entirely necessary. For instance, when price is returning back to this clear area of support, a Fibonacci channel can be used to identify an area of interest where it intersects with the mid to upper 40 range. Extending the channel out also reveals it to be quite valid in terms of representing the overall decline of the established downtrend, which price is still following down onto the top of our support range. Then the previous bullish reversal range can be used to reference Fibonacci time zones. A Fibonacci time zone with a relatively short duration can be based on the period of the middle upswing from the lowest price in the range. Perhaps the most important time zone line so far is the one labeled 8, since it aligns with the peak of the uptrend. We could also combine time zones by adding another one that will be based on the entire duration of the uptrend from the lowest to highest price. Now, along with the Fibonacci channel, we have a rough interval of time zone lines to highlight the approximate period this support range could be most active. Fibonacci spirals can add a third layer of confirmation for this area of price and time being more significant. Conveniently, the three upswings in the previous bullish reversal range are clear bullish reversal candles, so a natural choice would be to place spirals from the low to high prices of these candles. And they do get good coverage in terms of running along the approximate arc of the downtrend the Fibonacci channel is based on. In general, the spirals intersect with the top of the support range, around the same area in price and time as the Fibonacci time zone lines and the channel. So it's no surprise a major event took place here with the bullish reversal, which was in fact from a double bottom pattern, to significantly change sentiment on the chart in the long term, especially as price was able to break over the channel, heading towards the next time zone intervals, to shift towards a clear bullish stance. To learn more about these and other Fibonacci techniques, along with lots of other technical analysis topics, please stay tuned and check out the hundreds of instructional videos I've already made.